This time we're gonna walk behind the car. Let's do it.
Onward!
So, if you accidentally trigger a mine, now we'll get a front row view to his money blowing up. You sure this is the path you took?
Yes. We're literally in between two mines right now.
That guy right there is our safety expert, and he keeps telling us to back up. So, Byron, keep back up. Why have a safety expert? Carl!
Jimmy!
Stay on the
What
track!
are you doing? We're walking through a minefield. I'm the wrong one.
Keep driving!
Wait, I don't know if I remember the path.
I actually don't remember if this is right.
Is it right or is it left?
Wait, stop, wait. He's going so quick.